Now, don't delay. Call now. It's free. Call 1-800-346-4800. That's 1-800-346-4800 now.
Saban, Cantori.
So if Nick Saban was not a coach, would he be a meteorologist?
Friday morning on AMHQ.
Currently in our area, 81 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. Tonight, scattered strong to severe thunderstorms, low 51. Thursday, mainly sunny, high 67. Winds north-northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Thursday night, clear, low 48. Winds light and variable. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Well, the timing couldn't be worse for severe weather to hit the Houston metro area just as cars are getting out on the road and people are trying to get home for trick-or-treating this evening.
A tornado warning has been issued for our area.
Really heavy rain, and that's the drive currently. And it doesn't look that bad right now. You can see the lightning.